What are time travels? They have been puzzling humans since a long decade. We have also researched many of them, but they are a lot mysterious than we thought. So, some paradoxes say that they are possible, and some paradoxes say that they are impossible. We are going to find a paradox that is saying that time travel is possible to the future or to the past. So, the paradox is basically wormholes. So hello and welcome friends. I am Aditya Pawar and let's start our journey to the universe. In this series of wormholes, we are going to make videos on wormholes and explain the detailed informations and the specific questions and topics about wormholes which have been puzzling humans and just trying to briefly solve them. So wormholes was originated from Albert Einstein and Nathan Rosen. They called it Einstein-Rosen Bridges or Einstein-Rosen Wormholes. So the basic visualization is that they imagine that they have 2D plane surfaces. So there is 2D plane surfaces and then there is a cylindrical passage and then another 2D plane surface. So that visualization is what is the visualization of wormhole. So the best example for the wormholes is from the movie Interstellar. So let's see the wormhole scene from the movie Interstellar.
Hey, Coop. Can we stop the spinning?
Why?
Because we're close enough to see it now.
All right.
Thanks. There, that's it. That's the wormhole.
You say it, don't spray it, Ron. It's a sphere.
Well, of course it is. What you thought it would just be a hole.
No, it's just that all the illustrations I've ever seen,
The illustrations. Let me show you how it works. So they say you want to go from here to there, but it's too far, right?
Mm-hmm.
So a wormhole bends space like this, so you can take a shortcut through a higher dimension. Okay, so to show that, they've turned three-dimensional space into two dimensions, which turns a wormhole into two dimensions. A circle. What's a circle in three dimensions?
sphere.
Exactly. A spherical hole. But who put it there? Who do we have to thank?
I'm not thanking anybody until we get out of here in one piece, Ron. Any trick to this, Doyle? No one knows. Now the others made it, right? At least some of them. Everybody ready to say goodbye to our solar system?
To our galaxy.
Here we go. Controls won't work here. We're passing through the bulk, space beyond our three dimensions. All you can do is record and observe. What was that?
First handshake.
Where? We're here.
So I'm sure that you have seen the wormhole scene from the Interstellar movie, which I have shown some earlier. Now let's talk about the main topic, wormholes. So it was gained from the Flame's theory about wormholes. So Flame proposed that there are 2D surfaces like black holes and they have a singularity. But Albert Einstein and Nathan Rosen expected and added their theory to the Flame's theory. So they made them bridges. And you might have heard of Kip Thorne, who have also made a full explanation of scientific explanation about the Interstellar movie of 2004. That movie was basic movie about science fiction, and our science fiction time travel come from not this 2000s 20th century or 21st century. It is way back from the 19th century. You can see the book written by H.G Wells, the first author of the time travel book. He invented the time travel book and wrote the specific notations scientifically and mathematically and English literature notations about the time travel. He was the first person to do that. In these wormholes, they have been mysterious and curious about the human people. So they suggest that they can be possible for the faster than light theory. So what is faster than light theory? We all know that light has a specific speed limit, which is 186,000 miles per second through the vacuum in the space. But through the wormholes, it is faster than light. So like time dilation. So one best example is that you take the earth and then you have the parents and the children from the Interstellar movie. So the parents get to a spaceship and go to the wormhole, and the children live there. So they travel through the wormhole, and the children are aging older. When they come back, they have already been passed through 1 year only. But the children, they see their children which have almost aged 80 years old or 70 years old. Like that is time dilation. Near the wormhole or black hole, because of the immense gravity, the time ticks slowly and eventually stops at the singularity. But at the earth, when the speeding rotation, there is the normal time. So the both references, they have only passed 1 year, but their children have passed 60 or 70 years. That is like the time dilation from time travel. So what is basically time travel? We have basically heard that time travel to the future or time travel to the past. So wormholes make possible the time travel, and they are like cosmic strings that connect from one universe to another. They are the cosmic strings, or from one galaxy to another galaxy, one planet to the another planet. They are like that from the possibility of the multiverse theory. So this is all about wormholes, and stay tuned for the second lecture about this series of wormholes. Stay tuned. Thank you very much, and please subscribe to subscribe, share, like, and comment if you have any questions, and if you want to share anything with me. Thank you and bye. Stay tuned for the next video. Thank you.